Hi everyone, welcome back to Love English. I think අදත් මම casual phrases ටිකක් අරගෙන ආවා. These are kind of very casual phrases which I hear a lot from the native speakers every single day. මේවා හැමදාම native speakersලා use කරන phrases. So the other thing is these are not textbook phrases and real life English. So without wasting much time, let's get into the lesson. The first one is, I was just about to say that. ඔයාට කියන්න ඕන නම් ඔයාත් ඒකම තමයි කියන්න හිටියේ කියලා මේක conversations වල use කරන phrase එකක්. ඉතින් ඔයාට කියන්න පුළුවන් I was just about to say that. Just suppose that you are watching a movie with a friend and the friend says, this movie is too long. You can say, I was just about to say that. මාත් ඒකමයි හිතුවේ. මාත් ඒකමයි කියන්න හිටියේ. I was just about to say that. So keep using this phrase the next time you want to say that you had the same thought. And the phrase number two. Number two is, I didn't think about it that way. I didn't think about it that way. ඉතින් මේ විදිහට කියන්නේ ඔයා මොන හරි අලුත් දෙයක් දැනගත්තා නම් that you saw a new perspective, you can use this phrase. I really did think about it that way. I really didn't think about it that way. මම ඒක ඒ විදිහට හිතුවේ නැහැ. And the phrase number three is, that makes a lot of sense to me. If you want to say that you understand, you agree with something, you can say that makes a lot of sense to me. Now that you explain it, it makes a lot of sense to me. Or then explain කරපු හින්දා මට දැන් තේරෙනවා that I do agree with that. And the next one is, I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. This is also a wonderful phrase you can use to say that you need more time to decide. ඔයාට තව time එක ඕනේ නම් මොන හරි දෙයක් තීරණය කරන්න. ඔයාට කියන්න පුළුවන් I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. Let me think. ඉතින් මේක හොඳ phrase එකක්. මතක තියාගන්න. පාඩම් කරගන්න මේ phrase එක ඊළඟ පාර use කරන්න. And the next one is to see somebody's availability. ඔයාලේ available ද කියලා බලන්න පුළුවන් හොඳ විදිහක් තමයි I was just checking to see if you were free. I was just checking to see if you were free. ඒ කියන්නේ මට ඕනුනේ ඔයා available ද කියලා බලන්න. I was just checking to see if you were free. And the next one, number 6 is, I'll get back to you on that. I'll get back to you on that. If you want to say that you're going to respond later, you can say, I'll get back to you on that. ඒ කියන්නේ මම බලලා පස්සේ ඔයාට මේක කියන්න. I'll get back to you on that. Let me confirm first. I'll get back to you on that. මේ වගේ phrases use කරන්න පුළුවන්. And then number 7 is, let me think about it for a second. Let me think about it for a second. මට පොඩ්ඩක් මේ ගැන හිතන්න දෙන්න. That means you need a moment. මට පොඩි moment එකක් ඕනේ හිතන්න. ඉතින් ඒ වෙලාවට use කරන්න පුළුවන් phrase එකක් තමයි let me think about it for a second. කවුරු හරි ඔයගෙන් ඇවිල්ලා මොන හරි අහුවොත් use කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ phrase එක let me think about it for a second. And the phrase number 8 is, I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. ඒ කියන්නේ මං ඒක නෙමෙයි mean කරේ. In case you were misunderstood, you can use this phrase. I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. මං ඒක නෙමෙයි අදහස් කරේ. And there's another wonderful phrase you can use when you are having a casual conversation, especially when somebody gives you an opinion. කවුරු හරි opinion එකක් දුන්නොත් ඔයාට කියන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඒක තමයි best opinion එක කියලා. You can say, if you ask me, that's probably the best. If you ask me, that's probably the best. ඒ කියන්නේ මගෙන් අහුවොත් මම කියන්නේ ඒක තමයි හොඳම දේ. For example, you can say, that's probably the best for now. දැනට ඒක තමයි හොඳම දේ. කරන්න පුළුවන් හොඳම දේ. And the phrase number 10 is, I feel like that's not the right time. I feel like that's not the right time. ඒ කියන්නේ මේක නෙමෙයි හොඳ වෙලාව. For example, you can say, I don't feel this is the right time to change jobs. Or you can say, I feel like that's not the right time to change the jobs. ඒ කියන්නේ job මාරු කරන්න මේක හොඳ වෙලාවක් නෙමෙයි. I feel like this is not the right time. So these are the phrases that I wanted to share with you. මට මේ phrases හුඟක් ඇහෙන phrases මෙහෙ එනකොට. ඉතින් මෙහෙ US වලත් native speakers ලා හරියට use කරන phrases ටිකක් තමයි මේ. That's why I thought of really sharing these phrases, and please go ahead and try to use these phrases at least one time a day. ඉතින් හැමදාම එක පාරක් කර මේ phrases use කරන්න බලන්න, opportunity එකක් හොයාගන්න බලන්න මේ phrases use කරන්න. And the other thing is, I also conduct classes via Zoom. ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කැමති නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ English speaking skills improve කරගන්න හරිම affordable fee එකක් ගෙවලා. Actually, I charge just 2,000 rupees per month, but you gain a lot from the class. There are so many native teachers who are going to communicate with you on a daily basis, and we do have English WhatsApp groups. It's just like a platform where you get to speak with each other. ඉතින් මේ වගේ ගොඩක් opportunities class එකේ තියෙනවා. ඉතින් class එකට ඇවිල්ලා බලන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගාක් English improve කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. Actually, I focus on casual speaking, not the technical English. I always focus on real casual English in my classes. So if you are interested, you can always contact me on the WhatsApp number which is seen on the screen, or else you can email me to koshilairis282@gmail.com. ඉතින් එක්ක email එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් WhatsApp message එකක් දාලා මාත් එක්ක connect වෙන්න පුළුවන්. You're most welcome to join my English speaking classes. And thank you so much for watching my video today, and I'll be with you with another interesting lesson like this the next day. Till then, bye!